Today we're going to take a look at Three Flags RV Resort in Wildwood, Florida. Another 1,000 Trails property. Pull in off the highway, there are 3 spots for RVs to park to register. Once you park in one of these 3 spots, you just walk into the office here and everything is very, very simple. Pool here is absolutely beautiful. It's a nice big pool and it's got that nice emblem at the bottom that says Three Flags. Now, one of the things that we've noticed in the Florida region is most of the pools don't seem to be open in the evenings. So this pool is no exception to that, in that it's open from the morning time until sundown, but it is not open in the evening. It's church on Sunday or bingo on Wednesday. They have a recreation room that seats, I'm going to say, about 50 people, and there's a really nice little living room area over there that you can sit down and watch the game or even maybe the Academy Awards. It's pickleball, miniature golf, horseshoes, or shuffleboard. They've got it all here, and it's all really well maintained. Seems like every time we stop at 1,000 Trails, it's time to do laundry. And this time, I did 5 loads of laundry. But there are a lot of washers, a lot of dryers, and they have an app, so you don't even have to have quarters. But if you don't have quarters, they told me at the office, bring up $10 and they will give you a roll of quarters. Now it's time to talk about the campsite itself. It's actually very spacious. It is a dirt and gravel campsite, but I will tell you that there's plenty of room and the sites are all very, very long. Some of them in the middle are pull through. This is a back-end spot, and it actually backs up right to a cow pasture behind us. The cows here have a kind of interesting pattern that they go through, and every night around 6 or 7 o'clock, they come right to the fence over here and hang out with me for a little while. Full hookups, they got you covered. Really good power. They have sewer hookups, they have good water pressure. We have T-Mobile and we're only getting 2 bars of service. Now, because there's so many trees, I do have an obstructed signal for Starlink as well. But for the most part, I was able to put up this week's video, so I had enough internet to get by and watch a movie at night. And that's all I really, really need. Three Flags in Wildwood, New Jersey. It's an older campground, but I have to tell you, it is very well maintained. And the people here, they're just absolutely wonderful and are very helpful with anything and everything. The events and activities that are here, maybe not as many as some of the other campgrounds that I've been to, but it certainly does feel like all the campgrounds are coming back to what it was like years ago and having some kind of activity each and every day. I'm in Wildwood, Florida, while my wife Patty, well, she's up taking care of her mom in Manassas, Virginia. And we'll be joining forces again in a few weeks from now. I'm Dan Hunt, saying have a great rest of today.
And an even better day tomorrow.